Hello and welcome back to the HJO channel. My name is Helen, and if you're new to this channel and you like what you see, hit the subscribe button so you can see all of our future episodes. We have been sent the Zyliss Easy Pull Food Processor to review and test for you today. Zyliss is a Swedish company that has been making kitchenware for over 60 years, so today we're going to find out if they have made another great product. Here is the Easy Pull Food Processor. As you can see, it's really compact and everything you need fits inside the processor itself. Now to assemble, it's super easy. Now we're going to function test it for you. First, we're going to make breadcrumbs. It's as simple as it actually worked. I wasn't really expecting very much, to be honest, but even with our doughy homemade bread, look at that, we've got breadcrumbs. Super easy. The hard veg test. If someone has arthritis or limits the function of their hands, this could really be a lifeline for them. Let's see how it cuts up hard veg. And with the carrots, look, we've got finely chopped carrots. Now this took probably about 15 pulls, I'd say. It didn't, did it? 10 pulls.
Look at me, talk to the camera.
So this took about 10 pulls, so it's pretty accurate, to be honest. And it was still quite easy, so I'm quite happy with that. I'd put that in a stew or the base of a sauce or a gravy or something like that. One of the features of this is that you can make puree with 20 plus pulls. So we're going to put some cherry tomatoes in there, we're going to pull it 20 plus times, and we're going to see how smooth it comes out. So in their manual it says blend/puree, so this is definitely blended. It's not as silky smooth as a puree that you would probably get with a hand blender, an electric one, but if you're camping it's still pretty good. It's only got tiny pieces in it, bit frothy, so yeah, not too bad. Pros: being plastic makes it easy to clean, and it's also this only has 3 parts, which makes it A, so much easier to store and not lose bits, and B, so much easier to clean. It has no motor, which means it's not dependent on any electricity. Perfect for camping, for motorhomes when you don't have a plug. It's small and it's compact, which means it doesn't take up your whole kitchen cupboard, and you can fit everything inside the product, which means you're not going to lose it, and you can store it easily and get it out quickly. Amazing. It has a clear plastic bowl, which is perfect to be able to see what's actually going on inside. So if you need to do more pulls, you don't need to open it up again. You can decide just from looking through the bowl and then make it exactly how you want it. It's got an added bonus that when the blade protector is on and the lid is on, you can't pull the blades, which really helps it be extra safe. Could it be improved? Well, the bowl doesn't have any measurements on it, so it doesn't affect the functionality of the product, but it would really help when you're making recipes to be able to do measurements if you're blending or blitzing anything. There are no clips on the lid, and so we have experienced a couple of times the lid coming off, or if we haven't held onto it properly, the stuff that's spilled out the side when we pull in, because you can't clip the lid onto the sides. So if you're like me and you like to do things really quickly, make sure first that your hand is on the top of the lid properly before pulling, otherwise you're going to get a mess. In my opinion, if you had a silicone lid to put on the top of the pot, it would be really helpful if you've made something that you want to chill, or you've made a little bit too much and you want to store it in the fridge. Again, it doesn't affect the functionality of the product, but it would make it just that little bit extra useful if you wanted to use it for those kind of things. My quick opinions. It's great for people that struggle to hold knives or put pressure when they're cutting. It's great for chopping things like ice or walnut. It does not need electricity, so you can take it camping. It's small, compact, quick and easy. Overall, a fantastic and very useful appliance to have in your kitchen. Since we've received it, we've actually used it quite a bit, and we're really surprised about how much we've actually used it. It's quicker than getting out your biggy bulky appliances, so this is staying in our kitchen. This is for you if you haven't got a lot of space in your kitchen, you just want quick food prep, something that's robust, really easy to look after and to store as well, then this is definitely for you. So if you love this product, then look at the link below, that's where you can buy it. Just wanted to make it clear that we are not being paid for any video. We're doing this because we love it. So let us know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel if you want to see future reviews and things like that. We really appreciate your feedback. So leave your comments in the comment section below, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.